Yeah.
Ah.
Bruh.
I got it.
Like, I pressed the top.
We should have read the packaging. It said for ages 13 and up. We screwed ourselves.
Oh, it's just that easy. Just pop it in, and it's good. Yep, that's right. Hey, you.
Rectangle piece of metal defeats us.
Watch, I'm gonna get it in there. It's gonna be like upside down.
If you get it, you get a prize. We're in a game show. That's why there's cameras here. And you have 5 seconds to get that in there, and you get to look behind the door. That one is your choice. 1, 2. There's only 2 doors. I think it doesn't matter what's in the doors. We're not getting anything. I'm afraid to touch this. It's gonna bust.
Are we doing this?
We're doing this. We're doing this.
I would help you, but I'm bleeding.
This is really tricky because it's a tiny case. So you just go, why are you running? And push it in there, and then that's not lining up. Now there's more blood on this.
Is it really?
Yeah.
From mine or yours?
Who knows? Probably me. You need to rip off the whole front.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
You drop your graphics card. That's what happens when you don't take off the whole front. Let me show you how a pro does it.
Ha!
Alright, throw it off. No, this off.
Why would we do
Silly! Because I need to screw it on.
that?
Silly freaking Willy. I'm trying to offend you, but I can't because I don't know any bad words. I think we might need to flip this around because it's not going to reach like this. Oh, unless we do that, but that's strange. Oh, but that'll work.
Yeah.
Wait, see what graphics card thinks about this. If he says no, then we can't do it. There's for some reason that's there. Just take it out and throw it away because you never use it again. So now this is plugged in. That was great.
Why not the other way?
Because it doesn't reach, I don't believe, or it's too high because of the cables. It doesn't let me go down words without flexing. Unless we can fit it like this, because this case does have limited radiator support. Ooh, can we flex? Oh.
Ooh.
Flex seal! I just hope the tubes don't go.
Can we like switch these two tubes?
No, you can't. They're not self-serviceable.
Oh.
There's these holes. We have a 120 millimeter, which is the smaller size. So this is for 140. The bigger one would hit these wider ones. So this has to fit in right within the little boys.
Nice. And then it won't really be flexing too much. It'll just be resting on that one.
Okay. I guess that's fine. It just looks a little bit like scary. It's already looking nice. Like this is looking sick.
It does look.
This looks like it's about to die in 4 days.
What is this? Why are there?
That's showing you how the airflow is going to go. So it's going like that. It's pushing out front of the case.
Wow.
So because this airflow is being pushed out, you have a complete negative pressure. All these fans are expelling air. Okay. So you would want it to possibly flip these two, so have air pulling like this and exhaust out the front.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. We're going to unscrew each of these fans and flip them. Airflow, it's like 80 degrees and we don't like the heat. It's gonna melt
sweating balls.
Okay, so next thing we have to do is look at all these cables and figure out how to plug them in. Some of these we don't need. HDMI, that's a good thought, but you're never gonna use VR. That's silly. So you take this cable and you stick it to the back. Here's a 1 terabyte hard drive. In most gags, I would throw this, but we would like it working.
Bad news?
Yeah?
We're missing one.
Badder news. You're blind as a bat. It might be underneath. Wow, it's there.
Oh.
That was a magic trick. I'm kidding. I put it there.
Did you really?
No.
Oh, you lied.
Okay, so power supply. Oh boy. You don't gotta see that. It's atrocious back here. Just keep looking at the clean side, boys.
I'm waiting for people to get triggered out.
I can't see. Oh yeah, just keep waiting. It'll happen no matter what. Every video I do, it just happens.
Everyone's like, don't paint the CPU fan. You're gonna.
That was a dumb idea, but it worked. I'm gonna skip through this part because it's not interesting. Yeah, so it looks pretty, but we need like something to spice it up. How about some of these, some of these, some of those, some of this.
It's not on, is it? Oh, it is.
Yeah.
When the fuck did you start
I
recording?
just did it now. When you weren't looking. I'm sorry. I'll turn it off. I'll turn it off. I'm installing the cable cones. Can you pause the camera? This is gonna take a hot minute. Oh,
But satisfying. Ooh. What is really happening?
almost. Okay.
Last minute little.
Now we're in. I'll get the pucky.
Alright. And I think
Pucky
that
sucky.
is everything.
Sucky pucky. Oh, broke.
Oh wait.
Power supply turned off?
Yep.
Wow, yeah,
Oh.
that's frick. I wish you can get on this camera. It's you can't see
doesn't
how pretty
it
that
doesn't
is.
do it justice on the camera. That RAM.
God
That RAM.
damn.
I'm glad I got that RAM.
Yeah, that's the best.
Look at the graphics card. The
That all looks really nice. This is the BIOS. That's OS. It pulls in air through up here, and it's going to be pushing it for exhaust through the front. That's the plan, at least. Looks like everything's going good. We got these nice extensions with cable combs. Those are a inch and a half to install, but they look nice.
Hey.
Do you have a Windows key?
I may or may not have pirated it.
Oh, is this okay?
That's good. You're like, let me do
Yeah.
a video.
Yeah, blue fuse, power supply
Well,
was screaming. I'm not
back.
sure what happened.
Jesus Christ. Why is that happening?
Good thing is that if it was power supply, it sounded like 5-year warranty. Okay, if I plug this in and dying, you're getting sued. There's no light.
I have it switched off.
Oh.
Oh my god! Unplug it, unplug it, unplug it.
Oh, power supply. Damn it.
What the
Where did it spark at?
back?
The power supply. That's what it was. Dang it. I knew it. Why was it the thing I recommended? That's what I'm thinking.
Oh my god.
Well, good luck. Get out of a computer until you get a new one. It blew up! Fix it, EVGA.
Oh my god, I hate my life.
I wouldn't, yeah, I don't know, like, I want to keep trying, but I know you shouldn't keep trying. No? How'd you like your new computer? For a day. You had it for an hour, was that enough?
Here, let's move this back over here.
Yeah.
To the bench.
Always on the move. No, I'm sure it's warm, yeah.
No, like...
That's where the GPU is. That makes all the heat right there.
It's supposed to be that hot?
I think it's fine. Yeah, like it would be burning your hand if it wasn't fine. Because that's probably only 40 degrees. That's almost idle.
That's only 40 degrees.
Celsius.
Which is...
100 something Fahrenheit.
What's it supposed to be Celsius?
I mean, the max it would go is 70, which would be 180 Fahrenheit.
So, do you think I was like drawing too much electricity to my power supply?
No. You're not using more than 650 watts. There's no way you're using more than 200. Just playing Minecraft.
It was Fortnite.
We weren't even playing a game. Yeah. So that was not over wattage related. I'm 90% sure, but sometimes you never know until you swap out every component.
Every component.
Keep trying until you find the thing that's not working.
Well, we'll go buy another power supply.
We'll go buy another computer if we have to.
Great recommendation for a power supply.
Thanks. Mine's still working. I used it for a day though. I mean, I don't have a trained eye for power supplies, but I don't see anything wrong. I've never actually had like a component fail and be like, well, I'm glad I had video footage to prove I definitely abused all these parts. they watch this and go, yeah, you can't get a replacement. I saw how he threw that across the room.
Prior to blowing up my power supply, we bought this one, so let's hope it doesn't blow up. Please. Didn't this already?
You don't mix tables and brands.
Really?
That will kill your system. That will, for a fact. I was hearing the sound and like back here, like inside the power supply.
It was.
I was hearing things inside the power supply. So yeah, because at first, like, it kind of sounded like hard drive ticking.
What would you say happened?
Power supply ticking. System crashed. And then it sparked. Like, you don't need more evidence.
I'm scared.
Now it's on.
Okay.
Okay, let's...
Please don't blow up again.
Oh, it might.
Oh god, that scared me.
Oh, I legged him. Oh, I'm going nuts.
68's the max it's gotten so far.
Nice.
Alright, so after playing Fortnite, Counter-Strike, a little bit of just random games, this thing definitely carries the workload that I'm gonna need. And I'm really excited, and it's a beast. All my temps are fine. It looks super sexy, can't really beat that at all. Yeah, but like, after seeing the computer, my prayers have been answered.